Hi everybody, I'm trying to keep the camera dry at the moment. I've got a tarpaulin over the camera and it looks like the parade is just about to start. They've just stopped the traffic, so here we go folks, let's turn it round. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Whoa. It would help if I plugged the headphones in. So, thank you, Susan. It's pouring. It's absolutely pouring here. And I hope the camera, it's difficult to keep the camera dry, but let's hope it will stay. Hi Debbie, hi Leanne. No sound? Anybody got sound? Is that better? Can you hear me now? So here we have the, whoa, the fire engine. Hi Lucy. Have you got sound now, folks? Tell me if you've got sound. Oh, glad you have sound, thank you. And now we have, here comes the Medina marching band. Have recently been up to London. They were in the Lord Mayor's show, I think. Hi Laura, nice to see you. I'm glad you're in the dry. And here we are. I'm not quite sure who's in here, but various people. Oh, maybe the little queens, I'm not sure, can't see. Doesn't matter, Laura, it doesn't matter that you couldn't make it. You need to stay in the dry. Only needs one of us to get wet. And now we have the Sandown Queens. And they're all wrapped up and warm here. So this is Sandown Carnival Queens. Hi Patricia. There's Santa up the top. And please share folks, let's get this seen across the world. We do carnivals well here on the island. Unfortunately, the ventners truck broke down, so they haven't got their float, but they are here in the rain. So they're giving me a wave, even though their truck broke down. So they've got a car, and they've come out, even though they don't have a vehicle. That's real dedication. And then we have, I think this is Honey Hill School, doing a lantern parade. Hi Patricia. So here we are. So they've made lots of lanterns. I think it's Honey Hill. Are you Honey Hill School? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please share. Hi Ken, don't forget to share. Lots of you sharing. It's not going to be a very long parade because the weather, and some people don't come out in the rain. But some of us dedicated ones do. There's lots of people along the road here, look. So another band on its way round the corner now. Hello, oh, the Grinch. There we go. And here come, this is the Highland, now I forgot what they call themselves, do you know? It's a Highland band, and I think it's a Highland band from the island, isn't it? Yes. Yes, I know somebody in... What is it? Highland Pipes and Drums, folks, we think. And they are based, I think they're based here on the island. Hi Nicola, hi Julie. Always a great Isle of Wight spirit, Julie. You can't dampen the Isle of Wight spirit. Hi Roger. have Summerfield's primary school. You know, the schools get involved. It's great to see that they get the children involved. So Summerfields is one of our primary schools here in Newport on the Isle of Wight. And they have made lanterns, and they've got their lanterns. Hi, Wendy. Here we are, money going in the bucket there, lovely. Whoa. Folks, I'm getting soaked, but I hope you appreciate it. No, you can't beat the sound of the pipes and drums, Marianne, says a true Scots lady. There we go. Hi, Wendy. Hi, Donna. And now we have the Isle of Wight Young Farmers Club. So please